October 8th, 2025. New Delhi. History was written. At the magnificent Yashobhoomi Convention Center, the future didn't just arrive, it came alive. Welcome to India Mobile Congress 2025, Asia's largest digital technology forum, where innovation meets transformation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 9th edition, declaring to the world, India is no longer waiting for technology, India is creating it.
भारत हर आयाम में आगे बढ़ रहा है। इन्हीं प्रयासों का परिणाम है कि आज भारत एक इफेक्टिव प्लेटफॉर्म बनकर उभरा है।
The scale? Unprecedented. Asterisk. 150,000 plus visitors from over 150 countries. 400 plus exhibitors showcasing the impossible. 7,000 global delegates shaping tomorrow's blueprint. 800 plus speakers across 100 plus sessions. 1,600 plus cutting-edge technology demonstrations. 4 days. One mission: innovate to transform. This wasn't just an exhibition, this was the future materializing before your eyes. 6G networks promising speeds beyond imagination. Artificial intelligence that thinks, learns, and transforms industries. Quantum computing solving problems in seconds that would take classical computers millennia. Cloud computing infrastructure spanning continents. IoT ecosystems where billions of devices communicate seamlessly. Optical communications transmitting data at the speed of light. Semiconductors powering the next generation of innovation. But IMC 2025 wasn't just about showcasing technology, it was about creating it. The Aspire program connected 500 plus startups with 300 plus investors and venture capitalists, turning dreams into billion-dollar realities. IMC 2025 hosted 6 major global summits and 50 plus minor summit sessions. Connecting the unreachable global innovation forums, where nations unite to solve tomorrow's challenges. As Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia declared, India has transformed from a technology taker to the digital flag bearer of the world.
प्रधान सेवक हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का दिल के गहराइयों से
I'm Samanve, and right now I'm standing inside the Grand Yashobhoomi Convention Center, Dwarka, New Delhi, India, for the Indian Mobile Congress 2025 IMC 2025. IMC is Asia's biggest tech and innovation event, which was officially inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
Over the next 3 days, we will be exploring some of the exciting technologies and the technology that will change the future, from AI, robotics, 6G, and my personally favorite, quantum computing. This year is going to be next level because the participation is from over 40 plus countries in Asia. We will also going to see the technical booths, exhibitions, and insider moments from some of the great names in the industries like Jio, Airtel, BSNL, Ericsson, and the global tech giants like Qualcomm and Samsung, along with these startups and innovators across the Asia. This year is going to be next level because the participation is from over top 40 plus country in all over the Asia. Let's come and see the future of Viksit Bharat.
Oh, I have heard about it.
दूसरा था जियो क्लाउड का इनिशिएटिव क्या है और मतलब
So, the whole concept is to democratize PC gaming. Well, PC gaming should be in the hands of everyone without spending lakhs and lakhs on either PC on console, right? Sure. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया है यहाँ पे कि we have kind of built the Netflix of video games, right? जहाँ पे आप एक सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस दो, 500 प्लस टाइटल्स आपको मिलेंगे खेलने के लिए. प्लस वेरी सून वी विल ऑल्सो कम आउट विद ब्रिंग योर ओन गेम, जहाँ पे आप अपना स्टीम अकाउंट लिंक करके अपने खुद के गेम्स भी खेल सकते हो हमारे पास. सो मतलब जो गेम्स हैं वो इंडियन मेड से सारी नहीं सारी ग्लोबल जितने जो टॉप पब्लिशर्स हैं उनके साथ हम लोग कोलैबोरेट करते हैं. जब हमारा उनके साथ साइन हो जाता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो वी ब्रिंग ऑल ऑफ देयर गेम्स इनटू आवर कैटलॉग.
इसकी प्राइसिंग बता सकते हैं अब क्या है ईयरली?
सो इसकी प्राइसिंग हम लोग अभी क्वार्टरली, ईयरली और मंथली प्लान्स मतलब लॉन्च करेंगे, ईयरली और क्वार्टरली वाले. बट अभी के लिए हमारा 3 दिन का एक प्लान है विच इज 48 रुपीज. देन देयर इज अ 7-day प्लान विच इज 98 रुपीज, अनलिमिटेड गेम प्ले ऑल 7 days. एंड देन देयर इज अ मंथली प्लान विच इज 298.
Price is very decent for the Indian customer. Yes. So they will absolutely buy because it will not load on their PC. It is actually loaded on the cloud. But
Correct.
and I have played it and it is so smooth. Like
Correct.
it is not feeling like I'm playing on cloud.
Correct. And good thing is that you can buy it on any platform and play on any other platform. तो like आप सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो तो यू कैन प्ले इट ऑन योर फोन, यू कैन प्ले इट ऑन योर टीवी, यू कैन प्ले इट ऑन योर लैपटॉप. तो कोई भी डिवाइस का रिस्ट्रिक्शन हमने यहाँ नहीं डाला है. आपके फोन नंबर से जो आप अकाउंट बनाओगे वो हर एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करेगी.
तो मतलब ये जियो क्लाउड पे है.
जियो क्लाउड पे ही है सब कुछ. तो आप जैसे jiogames.com पे जाओगे वहाँ पे आपको सारी जानकारी मिल जाएगी इसके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. एंड देन आप उसके बाद वहाँ से सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हो जो कि आप किसी भी डिवाइस पे यूज कर सकते हो. टैबलेट पे, फोन पे, मैकबुक पे, लैपटॉप पे, टीवी पे, सेट टॉप बॉक्स पे, सब जगह चलता है.
सो आप थोड़ा बता सकते हैं इसमें मतलब बेसिक जो कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजीज यूज हुई हैं इसको बनाने में?
डेफिनेटली. तो इसमें बेसिकली एज नेटवर्किंग का यूज हुआ है जहाँ पे हम लोग सर्वर्स पे गेम्स चलाते हैं और बाकी तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक नेटफ्लिक्स. आपके पास वीडियो फीड आती है और आपके
वीडियो स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है मतलब वो गेम बन गया आपको.
यस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. लव इट.
Can you explain what this bike actually is and how things are actually working?
It is a smart fitness solution that is powered by Jio Sector Box. What essentially happens is that when you connect an external Bluetooth-based camera, it detects your posture, it detects your motion, and accordingly you can experience smart fitness, smart fitness options like cycling. If you want to work out with a dumbbell, if you want to do squats, you will get a certified report that will say that your posture was this, your rank is this, you could have done this better, you did this best. So all that is being powered by Jio Sector Box.
Okay, so kind of an AI personal trainer.
Correct.
So can you show me the report?
Actually here, because it is still continuing, we can't see the report, but there you see there is a dumbbell solution that is shown there. There you can see the report.
So, ma'am, what's your good name?
Hi, I'm Dejani.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Samanvay Gupta from Lollywood University. So, can you explain what is GeoPC and all?
Yes. So with GeoPC, you can turn your very own TV to your PC with just one click. So we want to launch your PC. That will appear as this. I'm going to show the home page. So you are getting this STB, which is a Geo STB with your fiber connection. And on that same STB, you need not require any further hardware. It's your own TV and you just require one keyboard and mouse which are Bluetooth connected, and with this STV you can launch the GeoPC. So let me also quickly show you how you can launch it. I'm gonna show from the scratch. Just a moment. Yeah. So we are here on the PC. So this is your GeoPC screen. You can launch with your specs that you have subscribed for, and you can launch it. This is going to launch the PC and you'll have all the applications over there for coding, for design, and also Geo Workspace, which is our very own in-house workspace that we have developed for GeoPC. And you can also use the workspace irrespective. Before we get to workspace, let me show you the AI companion that we provide with GeoPC. So with AI companion, it's like your very own chatbot. On this, you can just through a prompt, to create images, flashcards, documents, videos, presentation, all of them with just one prompt, like create a presentation, create a document, all of that. So that's the AI companion. And yes, let me show you the workspace. So it's web-based, and irrespective of PC, you can also use Workspace, which is currently free of cost. So you just need to visit workspace.com and you will have your own workspace handy. I'm currently logged in. So you will see my account over here. So this is my account. I'm logged in. In order to log in for the first time, you can use your own Gmail. It's just simple Gmail sign on, and you will have your account created. It's like your name @ from Gmail. It will transfer to workspace.com, geoworkspace.com, and in this manner you see this new document, spreadsheet, presentations can be created. And with document you get AI features as well. So it's opening up, and usually authors have that author block on blank page. Where do they start? So you have AI Pani that we are providing with Word tool that can write for you. So it's like you can enter that, write about cloud computing. So it will do that. It will just completely create it. So let me show you. Need to write about art. And that's it. It's going to happen. And you can vet the content over here. And as it is generated, you can even translate it in different languages. These are the languages that we are providing from Geo Translate again.
Translate to Punjabi.
Yes, we can do that. And then you can insert it in your document, and it will be inserted, and you can just develop further on top of this. And if you have, for example, a lot of content that you have just imported to Word, you can summarize it. You can even ask questions that tell me about from the document. For example, cloud computing. On cloud computing, if there are subtopics, you can ask that, tell me about this and this. So it will answer here on the chat panel. That's the word we are providing. It's not just simple typing and writing. And let me also show you on Workspace, we have a tool for presentation creation, which is called Geo Pages. And you can create presentation with AI with just one prompt. It's like you can create presentation. It's just you can provide the prompt over here. I can show that. Create a presentation on, say, IMC opportunities in IMC 2025, for an example. So it's going to generate. It's just one click. By default, 8 slides and English is selected. You can change the number of slides and languages.
Very quick.
Yeah, and you can select the theme. Your outline is generated, and you can just generate the presentation. So you have vet the outline. You know what the slide content is going to be. You can make some changes. You can delete the slide, delete the content, make some changes over here that will reflect, and then you can generate the presentation. So you'll see how quickly it can generate the presentation for you.
So, ma'am, at what pricing it will be launched?
So Geo Workspace currently is free of cost. You can just visit geoworkspace.com and you can start using it. It's completely free of cost.
Okay, and what about the pricing of GeoPC?
Yes. GeoPC, you can take the 15 months plan at just 300 rupees per month.
Okay. And what is the maximum specification we can have it in GeoPC?
Currently, it's 8 GB RAM and 50 GB ROM that we are providing, and we're gonna bring in more higher resolutions and higher specs so that you can also do gaming and design seamlessly. Right now you do it, but we want to provide more seamless experience.
Okay. So when can we expect it to launch for the other?
In next 2 months, we'll have more plans. Currently, there are 4 plans. You can visit the website of GeoPC. So you just say GeoPC plans. You will land on the page.
Okay.
So you're here. This is the GeoPC page in geo.com. And you can just quickly get to the pricing plans. These are the 4 plans currently live. You can go purchase and order the PC. They will provide the STP if you don't have it. If you have it, they will enable on that STP. And these are the plans available.
So basically, currently they have a monthly difference in some monthly plan. Other than that, the specification is same.
Yes.
For now.
Yes, for now the specs are same and we are working on bringing the higher specs.
Okay. So Mark, can you tell me more about what is AI Classroom?
Yes, so we have launched free AI classroom for all the students and enthusiasts, and that is powered by Geo Institute. And if you see the instructors over here, they are chief data scientists and GenAI scientists, all registered not just with Geo Institute but all the center of excellence worldwide. And it is starting on 11th of October. It's just simple 1-hour class every week and it's going to be for 4 weeks. So in 1 month, you just have to spend 4 hours and rest all will be reading materials, reference materials. And you can just register. You can give a missed call at 821-9582-195 or they can scan this QR which is presented over here on the flyer. And as you learn, you will get all the latest and leading AI tools information, the latest technology they are generating and launching. And we're going to renew this. So you'll keep having the latest technology information as you go for 1 entire year. So that's the plan.
So what is the pricing?
This is free, completely.
Zero cost.
Yes. And if you do it through GeoPC, you'll get Geo Institute certification.
Okay, so it's a double benefit in kind of. So we can use GeoPC and we can also access the AI Classroom in which we can access these different applications too.
Yes, applications are available to use. How to use this application and make the best out of it, irrespective, learning will be complete even if you don't use on GeoPC.
Okay.
If you use on GeoPC, you will get the certification.
Certification. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
मतलब कुछ बताइए आप इसके बारे में.
So this is the app called Geo AI Cloud. It is similar to Google Drive and OneDrive and iCloud. So in this, we offer 50 GB free storage for Geo customers and 5 GB free for normal users. So in this app, it is similar to any cloud storage app. You can upload your data. So the new things we are introducing today, the first one is called PhotoShare. So PhotoShare is basically, for example, you have an anniversary or a birthday or you're going on a trip with your family and friends and you want to share those photos. So generally what you do is you send them over WhatsApp or you create a Google Drive link and ask them to upload to that. So this makes it easier for you. You can go and create an event. And once you create an event, you can upload a banner, event name. And the new thing we have introduced is you can segregate based on face access. So you as a user, once you join the event, you will be only be able to view your own pictures. So a QR code will be generated like this. And one can share the QR code in groups. Yeah. You can share the QR code in groups. And
फेस एक्सेस मतलब हमारा फेस एक्सेस.
हाँ. तो एक बारी एक पर्सन फेस अपने इवेंट पे रजिस्टर करता है तो he'll be asked for a face scan and once the face scan is done he'll be added to the event and you as an admin can control the access. तो फिर आपकी फोटो सिर्फ आपको ही दिखेगी. Yes. So this is how it works. And the second new feature we have introduced is called AI voice search. So over the years people get more and more of data and it becomes harder to search. So we have reduced the AI voice search. Haldi ceremony. Can be as simple as haldi ceremony or currently it will work with Hindi and English, but moving forward we are using more like vernacular languages. Yeah. So Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati. So it becomes easier for more general public to use. So this is all it works.
मतलब I have a question. If मतलब जो हमारा पैक है वो का खत्म हो जाता है,
If किसी को पैक करेक्ट
तो मतलब वो हमारा सारा डेटा लूज हो जाएगा.
नहीं आपके पास ही रहेगा.
हमारे पास ही रहेगा.
अभी के लिए there are no paid plans. We'll be launching them in the future. So currently Geo users get 50 GB free.
मतलब एज अ फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजीज कमिंग एज है उसमें थ्रेट और प्राइवेसी का बहुत इश्यूज आता है. तो मतलब यहाँ आपके क्लाउड ब्रीच होने की चांसेस वगैरह
नहीं, because all of our data is stored on our own data centers, which is in Jamnagar. So your data is secure into it.
it's similar great initiative by HEO as मतलब is or Indian cloud as we do not have to depend on another provider.
अभी मतलब हम सॉर्टेशन दिखा रहे हैं, हम मतलब वेयर हाउस सॉर्टेशन में वेयर हाउस में इसे आपको पार्सल सॉल्व करने आ रहा है लोकेशन पे बेस पे। तो ये लिस्ट में डेमो एग्जांपल है कि हम क्या करते हैं रेंडर के वैसे सुने कि अगर आपके पास डिफरेंट लोकेशन के पार्सल्स हैं, लो आप अलग अलग कन्वेंस होता है उसको, है ना, अलग अलग लोकेशन के पार्सल्स। तो हम अभी यहाँ पे कलर बेस पे दिखा रहे हैं कि अगर 2 कलर के बॉक्सेस हैं तो वो बेस सॉर्ट करते हैं करके हम लोग। अगर आपके पास अलग वेट के ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, अलग शेप के ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, या फिर अलग बारकोड वाला ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, QR वाला ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, बेस्ड ऑन लाइक सम क्राइटेरिया कि कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है, तो हम सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि वो सॉर्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं जी। तो अभी ये वन ऑफ द डेमो एग्जाम्पल से जहाँ पे हम लोग मतलब रैंडम लोग प्लेस करते हैं, कहीं पे भी कोई भी कलर कहीं भी प्लेस करते हैं बिल के अंदर, तो वो वायर उठाता है और वो कम्युनिकेट करता है बाकी रोबोट्स के साथ कि इसका लोकेशन क्या होना चाहिए। कि मतलब ये रेड बॉक्स है तो रेड बॉक्स का वो लोकेशन होगा, फिर डिफरेंट लोकेशन होगा कस्टमर के अकॉर्डिंग कि हमें यहाँ चाहिए, इस पिन कोड पे चाहिए, इस बार तो इस कन्वे पे चाहिए। तो वो हम यहाँ पे एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिखा रहे हैं कि वो हम कैसे करते हैं।
तो बेसिकली आपने हर एक डिफरेंट रोबोट, जैसे यहाँ पे 2 डिफरेंट रोबोट्स हैं, तो आपने इनको असाइन करके रखा है कि ये पर्टिकुलर रोबोट असाइन है इसके। नहीं, रोबोट असाइन नहीं है,
बॉक्स ही कलर पे डिपेंड करता है। अगर मैंने अभी रेड बॉक्स इस पे रखा तो मैं इसको बताऊंगा कि रेड बॉक्स रखा है तो वो वहाँ पे जाएगा। अगर मैं सेम रेड बॉक्स इस पे भी रखा तो वो यहीं पे जाएगा। अगर मैं ग्रीन बॉक्स रखा तो ग्रीन बॉक्स किसी में से भी रखूँ, किसी पे भी रखूँ।
ओके, वो दोनों का फंक्शन सेम है, सिर्फ उसमें उसका ये यहाँ पे आ जाता है कि वो किस बॉक्स में जाएगा पार्सल बेसिकली। कि तो इसके बिहाइंड का टेक अगर आप थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन किया गया सो
तो इसमें अब मतलब हमने कैमरा लगा रखा है यहाँ पे, तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो लाइव फीड में कि बॉक्सेस डिफेक्ट हो रहे हैं सभी। फिर लोकेशन आते हैं, कलर्स आते हैं, फिर वो हम रोबोट के रेस्पेक्ट में वो कहाँ पे वो कैलकुलेट करते हैं। फिर उसके बाद रोबोट वहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन में जाता है और फिर इसमें ये वैक्यूम ग्रिपर है, इलेक्ट्रिक वैक्यूम ग्रिपर है, तो ये अपना खुद का प्रेशर बनाता है। तो ये मतलब अगर आपका कैमरा का लोकेशन गलत भी हुआ, क्योंकि इसमें डेप्थ कैमरा भी है, अगर डेप्थ रीडिंग गलत भी हुई स्टिल वो तभी बॉक्स को पकड़ता है जब इसमें प्रेशर बनता है एक्चुअली। तो नॉर्मली आप अगर एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर पे हो तो जैसे ही इसमें प्रेशर ड्रॉप होता है एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर के नीचे, तो मान लेता है कि कॉन्टैक्ट बन गया करके। फिर हम पिक करते हैं, फिर कलर हमको कैमरा से आता है, वो फिर वायरलेस से कम्युनिकेट होता है रोबोट से, वाईफाई के थ्रू या फिर इंटरनेट के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट होता है कि कौन सा कलर है करके। फिर ये वेट करता है, अगर वहाँ पे रोबोट आ गया तो ठीक है, मैं तो वहीं पे वेट करता रोबोट आने तक का। वो भी रोबोट के साइड आता है, इस रोबोट के साइड आता है कि आ गया करके। फिर हम ड्रॉप करते हैं, कलर बनाते हैं, फिर वो डेस्टिनेशन लोकेशन दे जाता है। फिर वैसे टास्क बनते रहते हैं इसके। अभी अगर मल्टीपल का और कलर्स है, 2 कलर की जगह 4-5 कलर्स है, तो और स्टेशन होंगे कि इसके अकॉर्डिंग वो और टास्क बनाता रहता है कि ये यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए।
Thank you. So actually, how is the Toshiba contributing to the quantum era?
At Toshiba, we are developing quantum technologies, especially quantum communications, very specific quantum key distribution. The technology allows you to protect the digital communications against quantum computing attacks. When it explaining QKD in simple layman terms, quantum key distribution involves exchanging secret keys between 2 parties using the principles of quantum mechanics such that it is secure against any of the quantum computing or digital computing attacks.
So as we are knowing, sir, area is upcoming field and there can be cyber threats. So quantum computing, if someone know quantum computing, so he can be good side also and bad side also. So sir, if he's in bad side, so how we can say that protect the people from that?
Yeah, exactly. So quantum computing is a very promising technology that is going to help in financial sector, drug discovery and material science. So there are a lot of good things about it. And then the bad thing about it is that it can solve the factorization it can break the cybersecurity. That is why there is also technologies using quantum way to overcome those threats, and that's why Pushpa is working to prevent those cyber attacks using quantum computers. Toshiba is closely working with the telecom operators and governments globally, helping them to create awareness about this quantum safe transition and helping them adopt quantum safe technologies.
Thank you so much, sir. I love about the Toshiba that it is contributing in the real world society and solving real world problems.
Yes, exactly. So I think we are very closely working with financial sectors, global leading banks, as well as several government agencies to help them try this technology so that they can develop useful use cases, and they are ready when the powerful quantum computer is there, so that the networks could be quantum safe.
Thank you, sir. हाय, माय नेम इज बानू। आपके स्टार्टअप का नाम क्या है?
मेरे स्टार्टअप का नाम ड्राइव गार्ड सिस्टम्स है।
तो आप करते क्या है? आप ऑलरेडी स्टार्टअप।
सो हमारा जो स्टार्टअप है वो व्हीकल सेफ्टी के डोमेन में काम करता है। वी आर डेवलपिंग डिफरेंट सेफ्टी सॉल्यूशंस फॉर व्हीकल्स, सेफ्टी रिलेटेड, जो कि गाड़ी की और उसके ऑक्यूपेंसी ओवरऑल सेफ्टी को इंक्रीज करता है।
ठीक है, कैसे आप करते हैं इसको?
सो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये हमारा एक प्रोडक्ट है, दिस इज द सीट बेल्ट डिटेक्शन सिस्टम, सीट बेल्ट यूजेस डिटेक्शन। सो इसमें क्या होता है कि सीट बेल्ट्स में आजकल एक सेकेंड में इसमें वो डेमो हैंग होगा। सो आर दिस इज वन ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज द सीट बेल्ट डिटेक्शन सिस्टम। सो ये क्या होता है कि नॉर्मली इंडिया में बहुत टाइम लोग क्या करते हैं कि गाड़ी के जो सीट बेल्ट अलार्म है उसको साइलेंस करने के लिए बेल्ट को अपनी बॉडी के ऊपर से ना लगाने, मतलब प्रॉपरली ना लगाने, मतलब अपने बैक के उधर से लगा ले, पीछे की साइड से उसके सीट बेल्ट के आगे होकर बैठ जाते हैं, या फिर इस टाइप के ऐसे डमी है जो पर्पल्स के मार्केट पीस को लगा देते हैं। तो उसी को अवॉइड करने के लिए हमने सिस्टम डेवलप किया है। सो ये सिस्टम में कुछ 2-3 फैक्टर्स हैं, उनके बेसिस पे पूरा सिस्टम काम करता है। एक तो है लेंथ डिटेक्शन, और सिस्टम ये डिटेक्ट करता है कि कितनी बेल्ट की लेंथ एक्सटेंड हुई है। सो इफ़ यू पुट द बेल्ट बिहाइंड द बैक और ओवर द बॉडी, इसके बीच में लेंथ का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, तो इट चेक्स की कितना डिफरेंस क्या है, और एक थ्रेशोल्ड, एक मिनिमम थ्रेशोल्ड सेट होता है, उसको क्रॉस करने के बाद ये जो आगे सिग्नल देगा, ग्रीन सिग्नल देगा भाई। एंड सो लेट मी जस्ट शो टू हियर, एंड सो this is the minimum length position, that is while when you put the belt behind your back, and this is the position. So now if I try to start the vehicle, only the ignition will turn on. When I try to start the vehicle, actually the engine won't start, गाड़ी नहीं जाए।
Okay,
right
now वो सीट बेल्ट की लेंथ कम है।
yes correct। सो अब क्या करूँगा मैं, सीट बेल्ट की लेंथ को एक्सटेंड कर दूंगा, मतलब प्रॉपरली सीट बेल्ट जो है ऑक्यूपेंट ने वो लगा दी। अब मैं अगर इसको स्टार्ट करूँगा, तेरी गाड़ी जो है स्टार्ट हो जाए। दिस इज व्हीकल इज नाउ मूविंग, दैट्स हाउ इट इज वर्क। ये जो गाड़ी है ये इस चीज़ को डिटेक्ट कर, मतलब डिफरेंशिएट कर लेता है सिस्टम कि द व्हीकल इज बिहाइंड द पोर्टल बिहाइंड द बैक, और इट्स बीन पुट ऑन प्रॉपर। तो इससे क्या होता है कि इसमें मेनली इसका कमर्शियल व्हीकल्स भी काफ़ी यूजेज अच्छा होता है कि ड्राइवर का अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि कमर्शियल व्हीकल ओनर्स को कि भाई ड्राइवर सीट पर लगा रहा है नहीं लगा रहा, तो इससे डिटेक्शन वो लोग कर सकते हैं। डिटेक्शन पूरा सिस्टम बन जाएगा, डैशबोर्ड में दिख जाएगा ड्राइवर्स को, फ्लीट मैनेजर्स को, ओनर्स को, कि उनकी जो ड्राइवर सीट बेल्ट कितना यूज़ करते हैं कितना नहीं करते, ये चीज़ दिख से।
या मतलब ऑटोमोबाइल्स की जो कंपनी है उनको आप सेल करेंगे इसके?
ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनी को, उसके अलावा आफ्टर मार्केट भी हम इसे सेल करें।
अच्छा,
एज एन आफ्टर मार्केट एक्सेस।
आप इसको एक प्रोडक्ट की तरह सेल करोगे या B2B?
प्रोडक्ट और B2B दोनों।
ओके, बोलो इसकी प्राइसिंग आपने अभी तक कोई सोची है?
हाँ, प्राइसिंग इसकी रहेगी लगभग 3 से 5 हज़ार रुपये के बीच में रहेगी, 3,000 से 5,000।
मतलब एक सीट बेल्ट की या पूरी कंप्लीट कार की?
नहीं, ये एक्चुअली ये सिर्फ एक सिंगल सीट पे ही अभी अप्लाई इसको हम लोग कर रहे हैं। रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट इज कि अगर हमने इसको दूसरी सीट पे भी लगा दिया तो ये सिस्टम का मतलब वो रहेगा नहीं। रीज़न इज कि वहाँ पे अगर कोई आपने कुछ सामान रख दिया, उसके बाद आपको तो फिर उसमें पूरी प्रॉपरली बेल्ट लगानी पड़ेगी, जो आप नहीं लगा सकते। अगर कोई सामान रखा है, आप बेल्ट को ऐसे सीधे ना, मतलब
अलोन इन अ व्हीकल,
यस,
कोई दूसरा बंदा नहीं है, सो गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी मतलब।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
ओके, तो मतलब ये सिर्फ ड्राइवर सीट्स के लिए है?
जी। अभी तक ड्राइवर सीट्स के लिए वी आर वर्किंग टू इम्प्रूव दिस थिंग, एंड इन फ्यूचर हो सकते हैं कि हम सारे ऑक्यूपेंट्स की।
और आप ऑडियंस को बता सकते हैं आपने कौन कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजीज इसमें मेन यूज़ की है?
इसमें हम लोगों ने मेनली तो आर्डुइनो की सर्किटरी यूज़ की है, हम लोगों ने इसमें कुछ सेट ऑफ सेंसर्स यूज़ किए हैं एंड टू कनेक्ट दिस विद द सिमुलेटर, ये तो शोकेस फॉर द शोकेस पर्पसेस वी आर यूजिंग पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट। नॉर्मली जो गाड़ी, अब जैसे हम पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट से हम सिग्नल भेज रहे हैं इसमें सिमुलेटर में, हम गाड़ी में सिग्नल भेजने के लिए हम ओबीडी का यूज़ करें, जो भी कार के साथ जो कम्युनिकेशन को देता है।
मतलब आपके फ्यूचर एक्सपेक्ट्स क्या हैं आपके स्टार्टअप के?
फ्यूचर स्पेक्स हम इसे लाइक ऐसा चाह रहे हैं कि ये गाड़ियों में हम इसे आगे ओईएम्स को सप्लाई करें और इसको सारी जितने भी कमर्शियल व्हीकल आते हैं उसमें इसको एप्लीकेशन इसका चाहते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच जी। There are two kinds of servers which are available in industry. One is an enterprise server, the other one is AI servers. Enterprise server works on a typical wattage up to like one server is 2 kilowatt maximum. An AI server, the power requirement starts from 2 kilowatt and goes all the way to 5-6 kilowatts. Okay. This is the AI server rack. It's an OCP ORv3 compliant AI server rack. What does it mean is the power fed is in a centralized space. For example, you see there is a power shelf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like the 18 power supply. This server has a capacity of 100 kilowatt. Okay. Now, this rack is completely designed, developed, and made in our Electronic City factory in Bangalore. It's completely made in India. Okay. It's aligning with the Made in India mission of the government of India. The basic heart of this entire rack solution and AI solution is the power supply, which is there. So if you see this power supply here, this is the power supply which is here. Like that, 18 power supplies goes inside this server rack.
Okay, that's a small box like जो वो छोटा सा बॉक्स दिख रहा है,
अभी जो छोटा सा बॉक्स दिख रहा है वो अंदर पीछे तक जा रहा है,
वो पीछे एक्सटेंडेड है, there's a single power supply and there's
multi power supplies है close like this.
Okay.
अच्छा ही
इसके अंदर DSP
is 500 amps.
500 amp and how much power supplies are there? 18
power supplies are there in a rack and each capacity 5.5 kilowatt, in fact, making it a 99 kilowatt solution, roughly 100 kilowatt, roughly
approximately. And so इसमें कितना डेटा तक स्टोर हो सकता है?
So it's not a data server. Okay, it's a AI compute server. Can you explain? For example, let's say you are doing a shopping on Flipkart. There where you want to run an application where once I'm shopping on Flipkart, I want to just open my screen and see that I want to shop the clothes online. But I don't want to visit the store. I want to see whether the fitment and everything are fine before purchasing. Okay. You need an AI model one behind that. That AI model is going to be a compute heavy model. It's going to see your dimensions in the body.
This is the storage for an AI model, but it's
these kind of servers and these kind of racks are not for storage. These kind of racks are compute. Okay. Mathematical computes are ready to get some useful data out. Basically, it's a GPU heavy server which we are talking about.
Okay, no, not really. Sorry. So, sir, can you also explain this? What is RoboKI?
Now, RoboKai is our robotic venture which we have. These are the robots which are again completely designed and made in India. A robot consists of 3 to 4 parts like articulated arm, motion controller, servo drive and servo motor. It's a 6-axis robot which you are seeing right now, where it's doing some pick and place operation right now. It is picking something from there and going to place it from somewhere else. So this pick and place operation is done using this robot. Now this robot finds its application in a lot of machines other than this handling, be it capital good machines, be it industrial machines and everything. This robot finds its application.
Okay, that is like
It is in multi-purpose, but for now it is
For right now, it is for a pick and place application is what we have kept for. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sinus.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Sir, can you please explain why what is waste not dead yet?
Yeah. So Windy, or it's short for Waste Not Dead Yet, it's actually a technology solution being built to focus on valuable waste. There's a lot of waste that we dispose from our household, from our offices, shops even, where a lot of material once it's discarded, we have absolutely no traceability where it goes, what happens to it. And today, with the goals that our esteemed Prime Minister has towards the 2047 Viksit Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat, to meet all these objectives, Make in India, it is essential that we handle materials and we support manufacturing. What Windy does is that it gives a 3-stack solution. First stack is a community engagement and marketplace which allows consumers who generate waste to dispose that through reliable platform. और हमारे सेटअप में हम क्या कर रहे हैं ना कि हम अपना पूरा वेयर हाउस हम नहीं लगा रहा. There's a whole lot of informal sector workers who collect this waste from in and around where we live. हम उनको enable कर रहे हैं. So the waste that you post on the app, there will be collectors in your locality who will connect with you, who will bid the best possible price for it, and they'll take it for you. So as a consumer, आपको अपने waste का best value देख. And this is not your household wet and dry waste. This is valuable waste. जैसे कभी आपने फर्नीचर निकाल दिया, टीवी निकाल दिया, वॉशिंग मशीन निकाला है, या तो कबाड़ है, या तो even if it's working, we also have a connection with refurbished service costs. That is one element. The second is the enterprise solutions, which we are using to power setups which are collection centers, dismantling centers, and recycling factories. We are also working with the Ministry of Electronics and IT to build common facility centers where these people who connect with us, the informal sector workers, they can do awareness, they can do skill training and help partner in setting up facilities where they can recycle material through material extraction by using the common equipment and put more material back. So जो raw material हम extract करते हैं, materials collect किया उसमें से, वो वापस इंडिया में manufacturing में मिलेगा.
So basically, segment 1 is like the a Zomato for the waste collection material.
It's like OLX.
Correct.
It's like OLX. Or so we are a mix of OLX कहने जाओ, urban company कह लो कि भाई आपको लोग मिल रहे हैं जो आपको specific service पड़ गए, यहाँ पे आपको लोग मिल रहे हैं जो आपका specific waste collect कर. We are also doing skilling and training. So we are partnering with skill development councils across the place. कहाँ से हम लोगों को skill करने ताकि इनका जो material extraction capability है वो improve. Currently, a lot of material is getting lost because best extract is not coming out. तो उसमें बहुत financial losses हो रहे हैं. Informal sector में काम होने की वजह से government को financial losses हो रहे हैं. ये सब चीजों को हम support करें.
So in a whole, like Windy basically currently helping government also and spreading awareness to the normal people so that they can also contribute in the net zero carbon emission.
Absolutely. So we are what you call a triple bottom line delivery organization. Triple bottom line में क्या होता है? You make a sociological impact. मतलब ये जो आपके informal sector workers है, we are able to help them with better knowledge and awareness and an opportunity to augment and improve their lifestyle and income. It's ecological sustainability है. We are trying to find a way to do urban mining, which means now there's environmental impact. You're not doing virgin mining for recovery of material, which means the earth is preserved. आपको जरूरत है, आपने जरूरत से ज्यादा चीजें निकालते जाओ, उसको फेंकते जाओ. सोचे को निकाल के जो चीजें बनाई है, फिर से मटेरियल लग रहे हैं. Exactly. And the third is the economic impact. गवर्नमेंट के लिए भी, आप एज ए कंज्यूमर के लिए भी, मैन्युफैक्चर के लिए भी. आज हमको सारा का सारा मटेरियल चाइना या कहीं से लाना पड़ रहा है. अब हमारे देश में मटेरियल अवेलेबल है.
राइट, क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं एसेंशियली इम्पोर्टेड है, लेकिन वो अब हमारा ही हो चुका है.
एग्जैक्टली. आप अपने पास आ गया, ये सामान इंडिया में घूम रहा है, उसमें से मटेरियल निकाल, उसको रिसाइकिल करती हो, यूज इट फॉर मैन्युफैक्चर. सो यू मेक ट्रूली डू अ मेक इन इंडिया.
So in a whole, Windy is basically all profit side organization giving profit to each and everybody, whether it is a consumer, government, or spreading awareness to the education sector also.
Absolutely. So it's a whole end-to-end 360-degree ecosystem, truly helping deliver what is called a circular economy. From source to resource.
Guys. It's a lot, I think.
Yeah, it's a lot. I mean, if we start talking about this, we could spend the whole day. And we are actually looking forward to connecting with education institutions like you see over here. We are actually having school programs. We are currently also going to schools. We'd also like to go to universities and colleges where we can actually propagate awareness of responsible waste disposal and also partner with institutions to say that, okay, if you can work with us, we can create campaigns, we can create leaderboards, we can show which institution is able to help create how many responsible waste disposers, how much of waste we are able to connect through the institution network. All of these, we are also looking to connect with corporates, companies who will then help through their employees dispose all of these valuable waste.
So actually for the particular education sector, for as I am also a college student,
Yeah.
this would be a best way of revenue generation.
Yes. Yes.
Because as you know, as a college student, we have to manage expense under a limit, right? Every month, every day. So if we have a particular kind of smart waste, we can sell at your platform and
I mean, students use so much equipment. आपके पास पुराने laptops है, आप वो फेंकने, you want to get a decent value, or you want to just exchange laptops. So you can get a fair value because we partner with, even through us. Of course, there's Cashify and a player like that, but we also do that with other players. So you can get the best possible rates over there. You can also find a way to connect with our partners to get economical refurbished work. Or you can just sell your waste and get, because today if you want to throw things away, you don't know where to go.
एंड वट मतलब वो वेस्ट कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है उसका हमें कुछ नहीं पता है. या तो वो रिसाइकिल हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, या वो एक डंप हो चुका है एक जगह
Correct.
जो कि इन्वायरमेंट को आज नहीं तो कल डिग्रेड कर ही रहा है.
Absolutely. वो जो लैंडफिल में जा रहा है, जो जिसे जमीन आपकी कम उपजाऊ हो रही है, people having agriculture issues where all this toxic material are going in land. वो toxic material जब लैंड में जा रहा है, there are issues when we don't realize नई नई बिल्डिंगें खड़ी हो रही है. If it has been built on a waste dump पे, तो उसमें से जो टॉक्सिक फ्यूम निकलते हैं, उससे हमको लगता है अपने को नया चकाचक घर मिला है. But all that waste fumes that are coming out are causing health hazards. So you can contribute towards avoiding irresponsible waste disposal. It can get channeled in the right way, there can be traceability, and there is accountability में कितना waste निकला, क्या हुआ उससे. And because the whole digital end-to-end connected economy, आपको पता है कहाँ जा रहा है, किसके पास जा रहा है, कितना जा रहा है.
So there's like कि अब वेस्ट का ट्रैक पॉसिबल है in a very easy and best way possible.
Absolutely.
Nice meeting you, and also it is a very good cause.
Thank you.
Sir, hello, hi. So can you introduce yourself? Okay, so myself, Ganpat Singh, and we are from Inzered, and we are based out of Chennai. And Inzered is an Evaltech platform, not EdTech. So it's a platform which tells you how your performance is in any competitive exams, be it NEET, JEE, IS, GATE, and UPSC, and those things, all kind of competitive exams. It can tell you what your performance is actually, and it can give you insights rather than just telling this is your weak topic. It can tell you this is the exact mistake which you are doing. You're not converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, and because of which you lost around 50 plus marks in the last 80 or 100 exams. So please focus in this particular thing, and you don't know this particular formula. This is what our product Insight does.
Okay, so before deep diving into your startup, I want to ask a basic question, like why you made this?
What is the purpose? That's a good question. So I prepared for JEE during my age 18 and before college, and I prepared for around 2 years. But still, end of the day, I had a huge problem wherein I didn't know what to do, or like after writing a test, I had to go have a error log, and sometimes I used to miss it or repeat the same error again and again. And it was a very hectic thing for self-evaluating. I need to study as well, I need to evaluate as well, and a lot of things which are being done. So that was a hard
thing for me as an aspirant. So that's why we got an idea of creating something with since it's an AI era, and everyone says that you need an individual teacher for every student. So that's where we are over here to give an individual teacher to every individual student with our product inside. That's why you brought inside over here. Okay, sir. Can you show us the dashboard? Yeah, please, sure. So consider if a student is preparing for an NEET examination, and he can come over here in our product and write a test. And based on the test, he can choose his own subject and topics and those things, number of questions he want to attend. And based on that, our product will give him the exact sort of each subject, like what type of questions he is good or bad at, and what's his weakness, or what are these weakness topics and the type of questions. Is he improving or not, and has he improved or not? What are the high weightage topics he has improved or not improving, and he's losing a lot of marks. And if you want to give go more deeper into the insights, you can even go into chapter level and topic level as well, like how good I am in this particular chapter, or what are the insights of mine in this particular chapter, or even the topics, subtopics and those things. And if he's still not convinced, or if he wants to do go deeper into it, he can just come to our chatbot and he can ask all these questions, like tomorrow I have an exam, how well prepared I am. And based on that, it can provide you all the insights. You can just have a live end-to-end conversation with it, and it's like an complete GPT for him, which knows everything about his performance. That's our product Insider. Okay, so before having all this conversation, you were quoting about how your company or your startup basically analyzes exams and basically tell insight of a student. So you quoted about a kilometer example. So can you please requote it? Okay. So consider that there's a question NEET wherein there is a question you need to solve, and for that you need to change kilometer per hour to meter per second, and then only you will be getting the correct answer, which is option D. But if you don't do it, you will be getting the option C. So based on that, our AI engine is going to analyze, like, okay, he got an option C. So there are two cases in which he would have got this particular option C. So in the upcoming test, in the next test, if he repeats the same mistake, so it can take, like, okay, he's still not converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. So it will tell him, like, hey, you are not changing the units, you are still using kilometer per hour, but it's not the case. You need to change meter per second. Or you don't know how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. You don't know the formula of Fahrenheit, or you are still calculated in Celsius instead of in Kelvin. So these are the things it provides insights on. Okay, so basically, for particularly having that deep insight, you have different cases for different options. Yes. So that you can evaluate a single individual into its deep. Yes. So our AI algorithm basically analyzes each of the options. Like if the student is choosing option A, so what are the cases wherein he could have gone wrong, so that he has arrived in option A. And if he chooses option B, what are the cases he would have he would have done to get option B. So it will analyze all this mistake, and if it's gonna learn itself. So that's what our AI engine does. So the last question: what is the price? It's only 199 rupees per student per month. So they can write the test for free, but only for the insights they just need to pay 199 rupees per month. That's simply yes. So as for example, I am preparing for GATE. Okay. So what will be the pricing for me? For you for GATE, it's 499 rupees per month. And you can write unlimited test, but only for the insights you need to pay 499 again. So you basically have two models where an individual come to you and can pay you, and also the second model one is what? Universities. Yes, coaching institute and the universities as well, wherein they conduct test every week, right? So they can upload their question paper and the OMR sheet or the response sheet of the students into our platform, and the same thing which can be done over here. Some NEET students won't be using any NEET or any competitive aspirants won't be using phones. So in that case, the institutes can help these aspirants by uploading their response sheets in our app. So it works in both the ways. So the last question I will not ask this. Yeah. So for example, I am giving my university exam and there is a particular subject, okay, which is not listed anywhere. Okay. So how can I get that particular insight? If I have different questions banked with me, how can I get the particular analysis? Is it possible here? So right now, this is only for the competitive exams, which include MCQ questions, like the 4 options which it has. And we are bringing the new version of Insider, which includes wherein you can upload a PDF of your subject, and it will extract a lot of questions, and it will ask you a lot of questions. It will ask you questions, and maybe you can answer it, and based on that also, it can give you insights like this is your knowledge, and you can change it, and you're doing pretty good in these things. And again, the same insight it will be providing in the newer version of Insider, which we are going to bring for the university level exams. So that's our product. So basically, currently it is for competitive level. Later on, it will be added for university and school level university exams and school exams both. Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much.